Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So we have to start with opening the recents, and if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon, I believe. And if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that. And here we've got the recents. If you want to, you can, for example, close only one of those apps or 2 of them, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you want to close all, simply tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.